Alright, so let's start with the first story, which actually is about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. So if you're considering buying this phone, make sure you watch today's video because I have something for you. So this phone is being used for 8 months. Actually, my fiance's daily driver. This is the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and 3 days ago, actually, I noticed something. So when you unfold the phone, actually, I'm gonna show you on the screen right now. The display, where is the part that the phone folds, it start to peel, and you can see some lines on the top as well, and it's just very bad. And this Galaxy Z Fold 3 is being 8 months. It's been like 8 months, and now this is a problem. So as Samsung recommends, you don't have to obviously there's a screen protector on the phone, but they advise you to not remove the screen protector. And this phone is being immaculate. She look carrot like always in the purse, never dropped it. This is not a water resistant phone, doesn't have any rating for IPX, so it's a normal phone. But like I mentioned today, 3 days ago, I saw something on the screen which is very bad, and I don't know, but we contacted Samsung on Friday evening, and after 48 hours, you're gonna watch this video probably maybe next week. So after 48 hours, they arrange a collection. So we're gonna send the phone. I don't know if we are lucky or this is maybe one of 1,000. I don't know if this is normal practice. After 48 hours, we're gonna send the phone and they wanna check the phone if obviously they're saying that if the phone is being damaged or if we did something that is not compliant to their manufacturer services and warranty, obviously it's gonna be a cost, so we have to pay to, they have to fix the display. But I'm 100% sure this phone is not being touched, it's not being close to water, it's not being dropped. And I have the feeling that this is because here in UK for the past 2-3 weeks we have like 34 degrees, 40 degrees, so it's just, I don't know, it's very hot. So maybe this is one of the issues that is happening. But again, this phone is in my purse, well, not my purse, it's my fiance's purse. It's not being compromised by the heat. She's not working outside, she's working indoor. So I don't know how this is possible. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have the same problem with your Z Flip 3 5G, or is just me? This is a common problem with the Samsung flip phones. I know that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is just being released, so I don't know. So that's why I decided to make today's video, just to give you a heads up, and also I'll give you an update to see. I'm gonna give you an update to let you know what happened with the Samsung people. They'll collect the phone, and I hope, I don't know how long it's gonna take to check the phone, and I hope they fix it, because again, this is a nice phone. She barely uses it. She's not like a techie like me. I always check my phone, you know, updates and this and that. She's just using the phone as a normal phone like many people. So this was a really nice gesture, present for Christmas. So that's why I think this is a nice phone. But again, consider with careful. I don't know if this unit is being compromised. because the sun, but again, she works indoor, or it's just one of maybe 1000 units that is being after 8 months. It has to have problem with the display. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? This is something that you experienced with your Galaxy Z Flip 3, and what do you think? Let me hear your stories in the comments down below. If you enjoyed today's video, smash the like button. As always, thank you very much. I'll see you next time.